What is good? Fuck, good. Everyone. Ashkeebs here. This is so scuffed. What is good, everyone? Ashkeebs here. Today we have a little sponsored video brought to you by Drop. I am an affiliate for them, and you can use the link in the description for any purchases made there, including the audio stuff, which is pretty nice. So Drop sent me all this shit. Oh boy. This will be a showcase and review mainly on these new Marvel collaboration keycaps, this one being the Iron Man colorway. It's actually pretty damn dope that Marvel collabed officially for some keyboard stuff. That is pretty cool. So looking at the keycaps themselves, these are MT3 profile, which means these are pretty tall boys compared to your regular cherry profile. These are made of ABS and are double shot, and honestly the colors are pretty solid and the quality of the keycaps are quite good. Yeah, that looks pretty good. I'm honestly impressed. The Iron Man colorway sort of reminds me of SA Berserk, and I think this color could work with a Asuka theme as well. God, why am I such a weep? Welcome to another episode of Ashkeebs Talks without a fucking script. So we are going to be using the Everglide plate mount stabilizers because the drop control only uses plate mount. These are lubed with 205 grade 0 on the housing, as well as XHT BDZ on the wires. The drop control, this is actually my first time with the board, but it has north-facing LEDs, or not north-facing switches, and it's only compatible with 3-pin switches, which was a little bit of a pain in the ass because I don't have that many. All my switches are all 5-pin, and I didn't really want to cut them off, so I went with the KTT or the Akko matcha switches, lubed with 205 grade 0. This is a pretty big or pretty simple budget build, I guess. The keycaps are actually very high quality. I think it was the best part of this build, and yeah. Oh, just a quick note on Osu, I actually changed the play area and I was able to go up around 80 more PP, so thanks for the advice on that. So, what are my thoughts on these keycaps? Not going to talk about the control, but the keycaps are pretty damn good. The quality is there and the overall kitting is pretty nice. The colors are pretty vibrant and the legends are very, very crisp. The profile of the keycaps, if you aren't aware of higher profile keycaps, does add a deeper tone to the board, but it could also accentuate the hollowness a bit as well. But overall, for an in-stock keycap, and if you're looking for that MT3 or very SA, very high profile sort of keycap set, then this is honestly not that bad of a choice. Anyways guys, thank you for checking out the video, and thank you to Drop for the sponsor. But there was no like intro weeb music this time because apparently, like, they're cracking down on that shit. Like, five of my videos got demonetized because this is the Wii music, so we might have to change it up a little bit, which is a shame. But yeah, that's a bit sad. But anyways, thank you guys for the continued support, and I'll see you in the next one.